Welcome to the step-by-step guide to public service loan forgiveness. In this course, you will learn everything about public service loan forgiveness. You'll get a step-by-step walkthrough of PSLF. You'll learn how to know if this plan is right for you and even the exact steps to really ensure that you are on the right track towards forgiveness. Now, really quickly, who am I? My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro. I'm a physical therapist with over 4 years of experience in all types of settings and career tracks. I've been a contract therapist, a travel therapist, and now I currently work in public service. I've also worked in a variety of settings: subacute, acute rehab, acute care, outpatient, pediatrics, etc. And I really wanted to make this course because I have actually gone through the route of seeking public service loan forgiveness. And there's so many things that I've learned, so many lessons that I've learned the hard way: access paperwork, access time. And I really wanted to share that in this course and really give you a perspective of public service loan forgiveness in healthcare from someone who has done private sector as well as public service and has actually gone through the paperwork. What will you learn specifically in this course? You are going to learn what exactly is public service loan forgiveness, the exact requirements, and I'm not just going to go over the top. I'm really going to go in detail as to the requirements and really help you understand what each requirement really means. I'm going to illustrate the pros and cons of this route and really compare it to other professions and other settings that you may want to choose to really understand if it is best for you to choose public service loan forgiveness or not. We'll be going over the exact steps to get you started, the top steps to make sure your loans are actually approved for forgiveness, and then two other options to also successfully tackle your student loan debt if public service loan forgiveness is not right for you. My goal and hope for this course is that by the time you finish, you'll know exactly what you need to do based on your specific goals and personal needs. I'm really excited to share this course for you and walk you through exactly how to get public service loan forgiveness. In the next lesson, we'll be going over what it is and the exact requirements. So I'll see you there.